Catch weight, complete catch weight management ERP.
From sales module, click on reporting, select sales. Now here we have to click on the view pivot button. Now here we can see the measure, click on it. If you want the catch weight values, we have to select it. We can select catch weight quantity delivered. You can see the catch weight quantity delivered field. Now if we select catch weight quantity invoiced, we can see the catch weight quantity delivered invoice. Now catch weight quantity ordered. Here we can see the 3 fields are shown here. This is how analyst reported sales for catch weight.
Get more details and demo. Connect us. Powered by Technaureus.